Welcome to Maths with Adi, where you have access to mathematics courses for free. Today's video's topic is cubes of binomials. Cubes of binomials, okay? So this is the topic of today. This is what you're going to talk about, okay? How to cube binomials, okay? So far we have talked about difference of two squares, okay? Meaning the formula of this, a squared minus b squared. Okay, you know what is this? If you don't know, you can check out my previous videos, and they are given in the description box. Okay, we have also talked about square of binomials. Okay, special products these are. Okay, these two, a plus b to the whole square and a minus b to the whole square. Okay, so we have talked about these three special products. And these three formulas. This is not a product. This difference. Okay, is a product onto the other side. Okay. Today's topic is cubes of binomials, okay? So let me put the heading now, here, onto the top. Cubes of binomials. Binomials. Cubes of binomials. Okay. So you know what binomials are? So we have a plus b to the whole cube, because we find it cubed, okay? You could have minus there as well. So there's another one. A minus b to the whole cubed, okay? We're going to talk about that after finishing with this one, okay? So we want to know what this thing is equal to, okay? And to figure out what this is equal to, what we can do is, we can find the product, okay? The same thing as a plus b times a plus b times a plus b, okay? This is like this. And we have to distribute this. I mean, you have to multiply these two, then we have to multiply this into that, okay? But that will be a very tedious process. I'm not going to do that, but I know most of you are beginners. That's why I'm showing from the basic step. Okay, to do it fast, what you can do is, this is just a plus b to the whole squared, okay? So we could write this just as a plus b to the whole squared, and then times a plus b, okay? This is what it is, okay? You could have eliminated this step maybe, okay? Now, what you have to do here is use the formula that we have learned previously. So this will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, times a plus b. Okay? So, the best thing here would be, here to do would be to distribute this into this whole and then distribute this. Okay? So I'm going to multiply a times a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then plus b distributed into this whole, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so afterwards, this is going to be, this is a cubed plus 2a squared b plus ab squared. Okay, so this is basically what it is going to be. Okay, now this will be a squared b plus 2ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so this will be our product without simplification. Now we're going to simplify this. Okay, simplify this expression. So I have a cubed, and I don't have any a cubed other than this. So a cubed as it is plus a squared b and this a squared b. These two are like terms, so we can add them up. Okay, so this will be 3a squared b. Now we have ab squared here, ab squared here. So these two are like terms, meaning addition can be performed here. Okay, so this will be 3 because this is 2ab squared, this is just ab squared. So this would be 3ab squared and then b cubed, whatever that is left there. Okay, so b cubed. So this is our final result. Okay, this is the simplified form. Okay, the most simplified form. You can't simplify this further than this. That was the derivation of a formula. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, some of you might be wondering, I just keep writing the formulas, I do not do any exercises, I just prove formulas. This is because you have to understand the concept first. Do the exercises on your own. If you need exercises, then visit my website, it's given in the description box, and I will also do some problems, okay, some more problems based on this after finishing the formulas, and that will, I think that will benefit you. Okay, so this is the formula. We have arrived at the formula, and I'm writing this up. Okay, so this is what is this equal to? This thing is equal to this. Okay, so we could write that the first formula that we have got is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, this time plus b cubed. As simple as this. Okay, so this is the formula that we have. A plus b to the whole cubed is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so we've got our first formula. Okay, we have got a first formula, our first special product for today. Okay, another one is a minus b to the whole cubed. We want to figure out this. Okay, so how you can figure out the same process, a minus b to the whole squared times a minus b. Okay, you are definitely comprehending this, I hope, because this a is squared and this, so you know the rules of exponent. I've taught you about exponents as well as power 1. Okay, if you do not know the rules of exponents, you can, okay, if you do not know the rules of exponents, I've made videos onto those as well. Okay, you can check out onto the same channel. Okay, and in the same playlist as this. So this will be, use the formula of this, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared times a minus b. Now we're going to distribute this into this. Okay, find the product, in other words. So a times a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus b times a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so this is what it will be, this is what it is going to be, and now we have to kind of multiply, distribute into these whole, into this expression. So a times a squared is a cubed minus 2a squared b. Okay, so and this will be plus ab squared, and here it will be minus a squared b plus. Okay, so notice here, have a look at this. Most people do it wrong as beginners. This will be plus because minus here, it makes it to be plus. So plus 2ab, and lastly we have minus and plus, so it will be minus plus minus. Okay, minus b squared equal to a cubed, and minus 2a squared b here is this. Another like term which is here, which is this one. This will be minus 3a squared b. These two, if you simplify those, plus ab squared and another ab squared. I think this happens to be here. Let me see. This is actually 2ab squared, b squared. Okay, so you happen to be wrong. It was mistakenly been wrong. Okay, so ab squared. This would be 3ab squared minus b cubed. Okay, so here we have it. Here we have the formula ready. This is the formula. We've got a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So this is the formula of the second one. And note this down if you want to note it. Okay, I have left some time now, and okay, pause the video and then note it down, and I'm going to wipe this up now. Okay, so the result that we've got of this one is a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. Okay, so this is what we got, and these are the two formulas. Okay, the products, and you have to memorize this. Okay, I know for beginners these are a lot of memorizations, but these are some basic things. Okay, that's why you have to know the proofs. You have to know how they are. I mean, why this is like this. Okay, that as well, and you have to also memorize this. Okay, in that way only you could fully understand this and do problems related to this or with this. Okay, so if you want a quick trick to memorize this, then I can show you. This is a cubed, and then there are only plus 3 and plus only 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. In this one, the only difference from the previous one is that you have the minus all over the place except in between. Okay, except in between you have the plus only in the middle. Otherwise you have minus. in other places.